You have to ask God to change everything. Even the dark corners of your heart, which are hard for you to expose. Okay? So Lord, kanilang usa. Kani this part. Kunya na lang ni kay enjoy ko rin. Okay? Experience. That happens to all of us, brothers and sisters, di ba? Ayaw na lang yung gossip. Kunya na lang ni kay labay yung chismis. So these are things that we don't want to surrender yet to the Lord. Okay? But the Lord asks us, He doesn't want to be selective. We need to be honest. Okay? If it's uncontrolled eating, uncontrolled drinking, watching and surfing in pornographic sites, or is lust the one that dominates our sexual desires? Is it lust? Or is it anger? Are you easily angered or you get furious? No? Going back to our question a while ago, to expose these areas, ask the question, is Jesus being honored here? Remember? The world. That is a worldly value which is in connivance with your flesh. Is Jesus being honored here? If not, then what are the steps that I can do now so that I can have Jesus honored in this area of my life? Okay? It needs a lot of humility, needs a lot of humility and patience to admit. No? Now we have been given free will. We have a free will, and then this means that Jesus cannot change us if we don't ask Him to. Okay? Then how come I'm not changed again? Well, did you ask Jesus? No. You have to ask Him. Why? Because Jesus has given us the free will. He says, it's up to you on whether you want to help me change you or not. Because Jesus loves us so much that He gave us a free will. You can even say no to Him. That's how much He loves us. He said, I'll give you a free will. If you're struggling because of this bondage, I want to help you, but you have to ask me to help you. Remember the analogy of the door? I'm knocking at the door of your heart. If you open the door, I will come in and dine with you. And in that painting, the knob is only on the inside. You are the only one who can open that door for Jesus to come in. Jesus will just knock. He will not barge in. He will not barge in. He will wait for you to open the door. He will wait for you to ask Him to help you change. Overcoming the flesh is really all about turning to the Lord, turning to God, the authority over sin and death. It is not by our power, but by the Lord's Spirit. We are turning over to Him. Like for example, if there's a bully that comes to your house, you can either fight him, but if he's bigger than you lose. Diba? If there's a bully that comes into your house, let's say you have